This is the normal view and this is page layout view. Page layout view is useful to set the margins for the page. Page margins are the blank space around the edge of the page. I am going to show you how to set the page margin. Click on Page Layout tab and then click on Margins command. Along with the custom margin option, a set of built-in margins list appeared. Here I have chosen the normal margin. See, this is the normal margin layout of the page. Now I selected wide margin option. This time you can observe margins are increased when compare the normal margins. Now I am selecting the narrow margin option. In this narrow margin option, margins are lesser than the normal margin. Like this, you can set the margins that you required. Let us see custom margin. Click on this. Page setup dialog box appeared. In this, you can define your own margin width. Left margin, I set it as 1. Top margin also I would like to set for 1. Similarly, right margin. And bottom margin also I set for 1. Click on OK button to effect on the page. See, these are the custom margins for your page. In case you are not satisfied with these margins, you can increase or decrease the margin width as you want in custom margin option. Again, let us see page orientation. There are two types of page orientations. One is portrait. This is the default page orientation option where the printing runs parallel to the shorter edge of the paper. The second one is landscape page orientation. In this, the printing runs parallel to the longer edge of the paper. Generally, to set the required orientation depends on the data on your spreadsheet. If your data is in longer width, then you will have to set landscape orientation. Otherwise, the portrait orientation is enough. Here, the page is already in portrait orientation. I would like to convert this portrait orientation as landscape. I clicked on landscape. See, this is the landscape orientation of the page. To bring it again portrait orientation, click on the same. Print preview shows you how the worksheet data will be paged when printed. It helps you to make necessary adjustments before it gets printed. This is my Excel document. Click on Microsoft Office button and then click on print command. In the sub menu, you can find print preview option. Click on the same. This is the print preview of the document. If you print the document, it appears like this on the paper. Here I am closing the print preview. In the present orientation, that is portrait, some columns are missing in the print preview because the width of the document is more than the portrait that accommodates. Here I would like to change the page orientation. Click on the orientation command. The present orientation is portrait. I want to make it landscape. Click on the same. Now your document is in landscape orientation. Now let us see the print preview. See, this is the print view of your document in landscape orientation. You can observe here all the columns of your document appeared. Let us see how to print the document. Go to Microsoft Office button and then click on print command. Click on print in submenu. This is the print dialog box which enables you to set printer selection, number of copies and other printing options before printing. Here I am selecting the printer. It is required especially when your computer connected more than one printer, and then click on OK button. This command will send this page to printer to print.